how to change the wiper blades on your Saab 9.3 02207. Now these wiper blades that I'm taking off are the ones that you saw me attempt to recondition using that EcoCut Pro. They've lasted me almost 2 years and they've been really good. When you're replacing your wiper blades, before you actually take the old ones off, give your screen a really good clean, lift the arm up into the vertical position, swing the blade itself slightly backwards so that you can see this clip, which you then squeeze back to the arm, push down on that end, slide it into the hook in the arm, and then lift up firmly to clip it into place. Don't forget to remove the plastic protector from the blade itself. Now be aware that the fitment of the arms to blades is different on the 2008 onward model. This is the 02207 model. I hope you found that useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a like, and I'll see you on the other side of that screen sometime soon. Thank you.